How to understand your ALTA settlement statement for real estate closings. Have you ever looked at an ALTA settlement statement and felt overwhelmed? You are not alone. This document is essential for anyone involved in a real estate closing, so let's break it down together. The ALTA settlement statement is a standardized document used in the United States during real estate closings. It provides a detailed account of all financial aspects of the transaction for both the buyer and seller. Understanding this statement is key to mastering real estate closings. First, let's look at the transaction and property information section. This part includes the names of the buyer and seller, the property address, the closing date, lender details, and the escrow officer's information. It sets the stage for the entire transaction. Next, we have the sales price and credit section. Here, you will find the total sales price of the property, along with any credits or adjustments like deposits or seller concessions. This section shows the agreed-upon purchase price and any financial offsets. Moving on, the prorations and adjustments section covers expenses like property taxes, homeowner association dues, and utility bills. It ensures that costs are divided fairly between the buyer and seller based on the closing date. This way, each party pays their rightful share. If the buyer is financing the property, the loan and escrow details section will outline loan amounts, fees, and escrow deposits for taxes and insurance. This clarifies how much money is needed upfront and what will be held in escrow for future payments. Now let's talk about fees and charges. This section diisu fees such as title insurance, recording fees, real estate commissions, attorney fees, and other closing costs. Each fee is assigned to either the buyer or seller, showing who is responsible for which charges. Finally, the summary of debits and credits balances, all amounts owed and received for both parties. This results in the net amount the buyer must bring to closing or the seller will receive. To effectively interpret your ALTA settlement statement, start by reviewing each section carefully. Confirm that the sales price and any deposits or credits met your purchase agreement. Check prorations to ensure expenses are allocated correctly based on the closing date. Verify loan details and escrow amounts if financing is involved. Scrutinize fees to identify any unexpected charges or discrepancies. Use the summary to confirm the final cash amounts due from or to each party. By mastering the ALTA settlement statement, you can advise clients accurately on closing costs and funds needed. You will also be able to detect errors or unusual charges before closing to avoid surprises. This knowledge is fundamental for real estate professionals aiming to manage closings efficiently.